pair of straight lines. The general equation of pair of straight lines is ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Next, the condition for a general second degree equation ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 to represent a pair of straight lines is abc plus 2fgh minus af square minus bg square minus ch square equal to 0. Next, pair of straight lines passing through the origin is passes through the origin, then ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0. Let ax square plus 2hxy plus by square equal to 0 be the straight lines passing through the origin, then the product of the slopes is a by b. Product, then slope 1 m1, slope 2 m2 equal to, its product is a divided by b, and the sum of the slopes is minus 2h divided by b. That means m1 plus m2 equal to minus 2h divided by b is the formula. Next, if theta is the angle between the pair of straight lines, then ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, then theta equal to tan inverse of modulus plus or minus 2 into root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b. Circle. The equation of a circle with center h comma k and the radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square is the formula. The equation of the circle with x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 as end points of a diameter is x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equal to 0. Next, center of the circle is minus g comma minus f. Radius of the circle is root of g square plus f square minus c. The parametric equation of the circle x square plus y square equal to r square, or x equal to r cos theta, y equal to r sin theta, theta less than or equal to 0 less than or equal to theta, 0 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 2 pi. That's all the very important formula. Good morning students. Business Maths, third chapter analytical geometry, exercise 3.3. First sum. If the equation ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square plus 12x plus 5y plus c equal to 0 represents a pair of perpendicular straight lines, find a and c. Solution. Given equation ax square plus 5xy minus 6y square plus 12x plus 5y plus c equal to 0. Comparing ax square, comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This both are same equation. We should compare this ax square. Therefore, what is the a equal to a? Next, 2h is the 2hxy, 5xy. 2h equal to 5. 2h equal to 5. Therefore, h equal to 5 divided by 2. Next, b equal to minus 6. by square minus 6y square. b equal to minus 6. Next 2g equal to 12. G equal to what is here? 12 divided by 2, that is equal to 6. G value is 6. Next 2f equal to 5. F equal to 5 divided by 2. Next C equal to what is C? The condition for perpendicular straight lines is a plus b equal to 0. A plus b equal to 0. A b value we know that minus 6. A minus 6 equal to 0. A equal to what is the take right hand side? A equal to 6. This is the A value. Next again a condition for pair of straight lines is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Substitute this value ABC. A value is A. Next B value is minus 6. C value is A value already find out is 6, so we should substitute 6 into minus 6 into C we should find out plus 2 into FGH. F is 5 by 2, G is 6, H is 5 by 2 minus AF square. A is 6, F square. F is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 whole square minus BG square. B is minus 6. Minus into minus plus 6. G square. G is 6. 6 square minus CH square. C is we should find out C. H is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 whole square equal to 0. So 6 into minus 6 is minus 36C. 2 to cancel. 2 and 6 is cancelled 3 times. 5 5 is 25. 25 into 3 is plus 75. Minus 6 into 5 square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4 plus 6 6 square is 36. 6 6 6 into 36 is 216 minus C into 5 square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4 equal to 0. Next minus 36C plus 75. This is cancelled 2 times, 3 times. 3 into 25 is minus 75 divided by 2 plus 216 minus 25 divided by 4. C equal to 0. C terms we should take left, remaining constant we should take right hand side. Minus 36C minus 25 divided by 4C equal to 75 plus 75 is taking right hand side minus 75 minus 75 divided by 2 is plus 75 divided by 2 plus 216 is minus 216 right hand side. We should cross multiple here. 4 into 36 is 144 minus 144 minus 25c is minus 169c divided by 4 equal to minus 75 divided by 2 minus 75 minus 216 is minus 291 minus 169c divided by 4 equal to cross multiple then 75 minus 291 into 2 is 582 divided by 2. So 2 and 4 is cancelled 2 times minus 169c divided by 2 equal to 75 minus 582 is 507. Now cross multiple minus 169 here minus 507 equal to minus 507 into 2. C. So C equal to its multiple then minus 1014 divided by minus 169. Now minus minus cancel. This is cancelled then 6 times. Therefore C value is 6. So A equal to 6, C equal to 6. That's all. Second sum. Show that the equation 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0 represents a pair of straight lines, and also find the separate equations of the straight lines. Given equation is 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square minus 2gx plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0 is the formula. Ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Combine this both. A equal to what is 12. 2h is minus 10. H equal to minus 10 divided by 2 is what? Minus 5. B equal to 2. 2g equal to 14. G equal to 14 divided by 2 is 7. 2f is minus 5. F equal to minus 5 divided by 2. C equal to 2. Show that this equation is represents a pair of straight lines. The pair of straight lines, if that condition is ABC minus plus 2 FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. We have to prove, show that the pair of straight lines, if what is ABC plus 2FGH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square equal to 0. Then what is the, we should substitute this value. A is what? 12. 12 into B value 2. Next C value 2 plus 2FGH 2 into F value is minus 5 by 2, G value 7, H value minus 5 minus AF square. A is 12, F square minus 5 by 2 whole square minus BG square. B is 2, G is 7, 7 square minus CH square 2, H is minus 5, minus 5 square equal to 0. We have to prove. So 2 into 2, 12 into 2 is 24, 24 into 2 is 48. Here 2 cancel, 5 minus 5 into minus 5 is plus 5, minus 5 minus into minus is a plus, 5 into 5 is 25, 25 into 7 is 175 minus 12 into minus 5 whole square is 25 divided by 2 square is 4. 4 and 12 is cancelled 3 times minus 2 into 7 square is 49 minus 2 into 5 square is 25 equal to 0. Here 48 plus 175, 3 into 25 is minus 75 minus 2 into 49 is 98, 2 into 25 is minus 50 equal to 0. Positive values we should add. 48 plus 175 is 223 minus 75. Negative values we should add. 75 plus 98 plus 50 is 223 equal to 0. This satisfies this equation. Therefore, given lines are, hence given line represents a pair of straight lines. Now, this equation we should take a 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square. Fact is 12 into 2 is 24. Multiple then 6 4s are 12. Add then minus 10. So minus, we should divide it by 12. Divided by 12. So this is cancelled, minus 1 time, 2 times. This is cancelled, 2 table only we should cancel here. Minus 2 times, 6 times. Its factor is in 2x minus y into 6x minus 2y. So 2x into 6x is what? 12x square y into 2y is what? Minus to minus plus 2y square. It's multiple, then we get 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square. It's a full equation. We should take 12x square minus 10xy plus 2y square plus 14x minus 5y plus 2 equal to, we should write it's a factorizer, any one constant you should add, then we get this equation. We should take a 2x minus y plus L. One of the constant is we should take add L. Here we should add another one constant 6x minus 2y plus M. So two constant we should add, then we get this equation. So we are now equating coefficient of x and y. Equating coefficient of x and y, then we get L, M, that like one equation, another one equation also. So solve, then we get what is the L, M values, and substitute, then we get the equation. So coefficient of x, first we should find out the coefficient of x is what? 14. In the first equation 14 equal to, here L into 6x is the coefficient of x. L into 6x, 6x is 6lx, so 6l. Next m into x terms here, 2 into x into m is what? 2mx. This is the coefficient of x, so 2m plus 2m. So we should divide by 2, then we get 7 equal to 3l plus m. This is the equation number 1. Next, coefficient of y we should equal, this is equating. Coefficient of y is in the first equation is what? Minus 5. Minus 5 equal to L into y terms. L into minus 2 is minus 2l. Next, m into y terms. M into minus y is minus my, that means minus m. We should multiply by minus 1. Then what is here? Plus 5 equal to 2l plus m. Minus or plus, multiply by minus 1 then. So solve this. This is the equation number 2. Solve these two equations. The first equation is 7 equal to 3l plus m. Second equation 5 equal to 2l plus m. Subtract, then change the symbol, minus, minus, plus, then minus. So m minus m is cancel. 7 minus 5 is 2. 3l minus 2l is l. So l value is 2. Substitute l equal to 2 in equation number 1 or 2, we should take 2. Then what is 5 equal to L value is what? 2. 2 into 2 plus m. So 2 2s are 4. M equal to 5. 2 2s are 4. Take left hand, minus 4. M equal to what is 1. Therefore 2x minus y plus L value, we know that L is 2. 2 equal to 0, and next equation 6x minus 2y plus m is 1 plus 1 equal to 0 or the separate equation of the given line. Third sum, show that the pair of straight lines 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 2 equal to 0 represents two parallel straight lines, and also find the separate equations of the straight lines. First one, solution. Given line is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 2 equal to 0. Consider this the first three terms are factorize is 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square equal to, this is we should write 2x whole square plus 2ab format. We should change it is 2 into 2x. 2 into 2x is 4x and 3y, then it is 12xy. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12xy. We should write this format plus b square 3y whole square. 3y whole square is what? 9y square. So a square plus 2ab plus b square form. We know that the formula a square plus 2ab plus b square equal to a plus b whole square. We know that the formula. So what is here? 2x plus 3y whole square. 2x plus 3y whole square. So this value we should substitute in the first equation. First equation we know that 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square minus 6x minus 9y plus 2 equal to 0. We know that this three terms value is 2x plus 3y whole square. 2x plus 3y whole square minus 6x minus 9y plus 2 equal to 0. Why? 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square value is what? 2x plus 3y whole square. So that 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square is 2x plus 3y whole square. Next terms we should write same, equal to 0. 2x plus 3y whole square. This first two terms we should take minus 3 is a common. What is remaining? 2x. 2 3s are 6x. Minus is already common, so plus 3y. 3 3s are 9y plus 2 equal to 0. Take 2x plus 3y is equal to t. We should take. Substitute then what is here? T square minus 3t plus 2 equal to 0. Next factorize is 2 is minus 1 minus 2. Multiple then plus 2, add then minus 3. So what is here? T minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. T minus 1 into t minus 2 equal to 0. So we know that t is what? Substitute here. T is 2x plus 3y minus 1 into 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0. Then what is the separate equations? 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0, or the separate equations. Equation of the given line. Separate equation of the given line. Next we should find out its slope. Slope of 2x plus 3y minus 1 equal to 0 is, we should take a m1. m1 slope formula is a minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. So here m1 coefficient of minus coefficient of x is a 2 divided by coefficient of y is a 3. So this is a m1. Next slope of two x plus 3y minus 2 equal to 0 is m2 equal to minus coefficient of x is what? Minus 2 divided by coefficient of y is 3. Therefore, m1 equal to m2. Given lines are parallel. That's all. Fourth sum. Find the angle between the pair of straight lines 3x square minus 5xy minus 2y square plus 17x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. Given equation is 3x square minus 5xy minus 2y square plus 17x plus y plus 10 equal to 0. Comparing with ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Compare this both equation. A is 3, a equal to 3, 2h is minus 5, so h equal to what is here? Minus 5 divided by 2, minus 5 divided by 2. Next b is minus 2, 2g is 17, g equal to 17 divided by 2. Next 2f is 1, f equal to 1 by 2, c equal to 10. These are the values. Let theta be the angle between the pair of straight lines. Is tan theta equal to, tan theta is a formula plus or minus 2 into root of h square minus ab divided by a plus b is a formula. So we should substitute this value plus or minus 2 root of h square, h is a minus 5 by 2, minus 5 by 2 whole square minus ab, a is 3, b is minus 2, 3 into minus 2 divided by a plus b, a is 3, b is minus 2, minus into plus is minus, minus 2 equal to plus or minus 2 root of 5 square is 25 minus square then plus 2 square is 4 minus into minus plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 is 1. Tan theta equal to plus or minus 2 root of cross multiple then 6 4s are 24. 25 plus 24 whole divided by 4. Divided by 1 then same value. That is equal to plus or minus 2 root of 25 plus 24 is 49 divided by 4. Take the square root plus or minus 2 into 7 sevens are 49. So 7 divided by 2 2s are 4. 7 by 2. 2 2 cancel. Theta equal to tan inverse of 7. Tan value we should take right hand side. So tan inverse of 7. That's all. First sum. Find the equation of the following circle having first one the center 3, 5 and radius 5 units. Second the center 0, 0 and radius 2 units. Solution. The equation of the circle with center h, k and radius r is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is the general equation of the circle with center k, h, k, radius r then. So we should substitute given center is what? Center is 3, 5. 3, 5. Here h is 3, k is what? 5. Next radius r equal to 5 is given. Radius r equal to 5 given. So we should substitute in the formula x minus h whole square. X minus h is what? 3 whole square plus y minus k whole square. Y minus k is what? 5 whole square equal to r square is r is 5. So 5 square. So expand a minus b whole square formula. We know that a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. We should use this formula. So x is what? A, 3 is what? B. We should substitute a square x square minus 2ab. 2 into a is x, b is 3 plus b square 3 square. Same formula we should use again. Y minus 5 whole square plus x is a is what? Y, b is what? 5 now. A square y square minus 2ab 2 into y into 5 b value 5 plus b square 5 square equal to 5 square. So expand this x square minus 2 3s are 6x plus 3 square is 9 plus y square minus 2 5s are 10y plus 5 square. This 5 square we should take left minus 5 square equal to 0 plus 5 square minus 5 square cancel. So what is x square? Next y square term plus y square x term next term minus 6x minus y term minus 10y plus 9 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle. Next second This is the first one. This is the second sum. What is given? The center is what is 0, 0 and the radius is what 2. Center 0, 0. H, K is 0, 0. Radius r equal to 2 is given. We should substitute in the same formula the equation of a circle. What is the x minus h whole square? X minus h is what is 0 whole square plus y minus k whole square. Y minus k is what is 0. Y minus k whole square equal to r square. R square is 2 square. So x minus 0 is what? X. X whole square is what? X square plus y minus 0 is y. Y square plus y square equal to 2 square is 4. We should take left. 4 is x square plus y square minus 4 equal to 0. This is the required equation of a circle.